Hello. Let's have a look at how we can use the Peltarion Excel add-in to call a model that we have deployed on the Peltarion platform directly from our spreadsheet. So during this video, I'm going to use run sentiment analysis on movie reviews, and the model is built based on a tutorial in our knowledge center called Movie Review Feelings. So to do this, first step is to install the add-in, and we do that by going to Insert, and then we go to Get Add-ins, and here in the search field we insert Peltarion, just like that, and here we see it pops up. So we add it to Excel, and now we can find it here on the home menu. There we go. So, and we open it up, we press it, and we see this panel showing up. So, and once it's up, we press Enter Credentials. And we have trained this model already. So then we go to the platform, Peltarion platform, and we go to the deployment page, and we copy the credentials, starting with the URL, and we paste it here. And then we go back and we also copy the token from there. We go back here and we paste it. Then we press the connect button, and then we can see here that we trained the model to accept a text input called review. We can also see that here on the model page. It's called review and it's text input. And we go back here, we press done, and now it's connecting to our model. We can see this is the header row, and this needs to exactly match what we have here on the credentials, so review and review. And for some models we might have more inputs, and then we need to match all of them. So now we're connected. And before we call the model, we need to enter a header range. We can do that by typing in the range, or we can just click it and press from selection. Same goes for data range. We can type it in if we want to, or just select and press from selection. And now we're good to go and get our sentiment back. So let's press call model, and back come the results. So that's all there is to it, really. So now we have seen how to use the Peltarion add-in for Excel.